Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, here to discuss a few different options I have for mobile mechanics. I've been doing this for over 30 years, and I've also been in the military and also in the civilian sector, so combined over 30 years. I sell documents, and this particular document, which I use all the time whenever I'm doing any kind of work. As a matter of fact, I had a customer today ask me, we put a water pump on her Saturn on the 1st of January. It's what, the 17th January right now. And she said that she just got back and her car's making a loud noise. And I said, well, we took pictures and a video after we got finished, working on the vehicle. You have to do a diagnostics. That's a totally different issue. Well, one of the reasons why we have people to sign that is because sometimes people try that kind of behavior. And it says basically in our rules, we have the customer to sign, and we actually have them to initial, so they can't say, well, I didn't know. It's 3 pages of stuff that's kept our drama down to 1% actually, since we actually implemented this. Before COVID, we didn't even need this, but since COVID, I can't explain it, but need rules to tell people how they should act and boundaries between the customer and the company. Well, anyway, it says basically if there's anything else going on, you have to pay for a diagnostic. It talks about if there's a problem to call us first so we can take care of it. It talks about customers supplying parts, and if their parts that they supply us is going to compromise the vehicle, we won't install it. You got permission if you're in an apartment complex. You got permission for us to work on the vehicle. Also, if we have to stop because you didn't get permission, you always have to labor. No labor payment arrangements. No threats to the or hostile environment to any of our technicians or our company. It talks about diagnostics. One diagnostic might not fix your car. You might need a multiple diagnostics. I'm just giving examples of what's on here. If we have to stand around for more than 30 minutes for you going to get parts and you're not communicating with us, it's $50 for every half an hour. And trust me, you're going to want to do that because some people just take their sweet time like your time means nothing. You have other customers to get to. Let's see. Sometimes it takes a little longer for the repairs to get done. The mechanic lien up here. It has a whole bunch of stuff up here that will protect you and your business. It's customizable to Microsoft Word. You can change your business name on it. You can get the document at themobilemechanic757.com, themobilemechanic757.com. This will save you a lot of time and heartache, and it also is legal representation that the courts will listen to. You got their signature. They knew the rules and regulations, and it's also on our website. But this right here will save you a lot of going back and forth for any kind of arguments or anything like that. Trust me. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Please hit that like button so the algorithms can keep on going so we can help other businesses and we can help customers because that's what we're here for. Thank you.